How to integrate Zoho Mail with Zoho CRM. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to the Zoho Mail website first. After you are in the website, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of web interface. Now, in order to access the Zoho CRM, you can head over to the apps menu in the top right corner over here. Click on it. Now scroll down, and here in the sales and marketing section, you can see this CRM option. Click on it. It has opened the Zoho CRM website. As you are already logged in with your Zoho Mail account, you will be logged in with the same account in the Zoho CRM too. You can now provide further details like your company name, your phone number, and the number of employees that you have in your company. Once you are done, you can click on this Get Started button. Now you can set up your CRM from here. And as you can see, your CRM account is already integrated with your Zoho Mail account. So it's a very simple process to integrate Zoho Mail with your Zoho CRM. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.